Malole, my name is Peter Dillon. I am a Youth Guarantee student studying the Certificate in Sports, Fitness and Health Level 2.
Hi, my name is Celeste Reid and I study at Te Wānanga or Aotearoa and I am a Youth Guarantee student.
I didn't expect this much at this course, but I was surprised when I came here. All the stuff they had and provide. They provided us with uniform that we can use to come to training. They provided computer lab for us to study, the library to go in to study period.
Teachers at school recommended this course for me because they knew that there was heaps of support and it will help me.
I actually made under 16 Kiwis this year. Our Youth Guarantees provide me with a gym to work out my body, to get fit.
The confidence and the maturity that I've gained from this course and the leadership.
Being a student at Te Wānanga o Aotearoa and Youth Guaranteeing is probably one of the best experiences I've had. The best bond I've had with my class, tutors and Nev especially. Try out this course. Once you try it, it'll be probably the best experience you've had.
Just join our course because in the end you won't regret doing it. It's a good experience and you learn heaps.